Welcome, my name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning here on a Friday. Welcome, Tom.
Hey, Brian.
It's young Jason Stein reached out to me. So he's been following us in Discord and YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Interesting. Okay, let's just share this. So welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. The reason for that is we're a group of people helping each other and we are not financial advisors. So there is a full risk disclosure there. A little bit about us as live session traders. Okay, let's just stop sharing that. And we can share back to...
Another double loss, Brian.
Yeah, same here.
GA this time. Having a bit of a torrid time at the moment, really.
Yes, tell me about it. Also, too, I got margin calling.
Yeah.
And I'm in an AUD. Well, I was in AUD CHF, but there's a double loss on that one too. Anyway, it's just for me. Let's go through them and mechanically look at it. Like you can't be attached to. If you're just doing something mechanical, that's the way it works.
Not going to plan at the moment, though.
Of course, Tom's just trading against us, so that's okay.
He's doing very well.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? It's always good to to notice the differences. Okay, so we got here we got our unemployment figures. It's 4.1, so it's going up. Unemployment's not dramatically. It's not moving really quickly, but there's obviously an election imminent. And then I think next week is a budget, which they didn't think they were going to have to do, but we have to have an election by the 17th of May, and they have to give, I think they've got to give 4 weeks or 6 week notice or whatever it is. All right, so AUD CAD, maybe the reason the unemployment data may have done this sort of drop off here back to the midline on this.
This one.
Yeah, you've got to sell on it. It went to like 3/4 and then pushed down. I think we were talking about this yesterday, Darren. You were contemplating a 3/4 trade.
I didn't get in it yesterday, but now it's ready, but might be too late.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's the issue, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's already past the midline already.
It does. Just drops off a cliff.
Yeah. So it's not something that I would necessarily.
Too late. It wasn't ready yesterday, and it's just literally just
not too late for not too late for Tom.
No.
That's good. AUD CHF. Now it went into the long, pushed up, a stop loss there. It just came down with spread and just picked me out.
I'm still in it. I survived. So
did you? Yeah, because you must have been just down a little bit further. No, I probably had it pretty tight. So yeah, no, I got chucked out of that.
I'm in the short.
Okay. Are you in a short foot? Yeah, okay. But it hasn't called a short on ours. It might be on your hang on, you just where's it? CHF. Yeah. Oh yeah. 1, 2. Bang. Certainly shorting.
You see the landmine down there by the that long wick?
Yeah, this one here.
Yeah, that's what it's headed for. It's going to break it.
Yeah, okay. The thing is, it's you would have got into those few positives
I
before
did.
Yeah.
And then I got
Okay.
into the other way.
Yeah.
And then I got out down this rail because mine shows where it pulled back. It doesn't show it on this one, but I got out and now I'm getting back in for the rest of the short.
Okay. And did you set sell stops or?
No, I just watch it. I've got 15 days till it hits my stop.
Okay.
You mean my take profit or my stop loss?
No. When you entered it, was it a market execution? Was it sell stop? Do you set a stop so that it
Oh yeah. So when this
1, 2, there?
so as this is pushing up, I count
Hmm.
two green candles back. One, two. And
Oh.
when this forms, it gives me a yellow candle. I just put my stop loss right underneath it, my entry, my
Hmm.
and I give myself one brick if there's no yellow candle above it,
Hmm.
and if there's a yellow candle, I wait for the wick to form because it always
Yeah.
does,
Yeah.
and then I just let it run. However
So
long it runs, it runs.
so your stop loss sitting on the top here, is it? Top of this brick.
That was the first one, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That was the first one. Okay.
Yeah, your feed looks different than mine.
Okay.
Actually, your feed looks cleaner than mine
Oh.
because I have where it's at now. I have a pullback.
Yeah, okay. Because you're on what's your feed?
Owanda.
I wonder, yeah, no, that's really I always observed it pretty radical, I wonder one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me. Can I show you what I mean real quick?
Yeah,
How do
sure.
how do
Yeah.
you do this again? I just did this yesterday.
I think you
We're oh, yeah, there we are. Okay, yeah. See,
oh, yeah.
mine has the pullback.
Yeah.
So
Weird.
typically, before those go through a uh, tail of I call them landmines, the wick, the long wick
Yeah.
that's trying to break.
Land.
They usually have a pullback. It shows a pullback.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
what it did was the pullback kicked me out of my cell,
Yeah, yeah.
and I started looking at, okay, is it going to buy? And it didn't, so I got back in the cell,
In the cell again. Yeah, okay.
and now I'm
Mm.
looking for it to just
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
keep going.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, no worries. Well, for me, it's pretty simple on the mechanical side of things. It's just, it did that and knocked me out. You just still in it, Darren, so that's good. But it could continue further down. It could jump itself back up again. We'll see. Wait. This is well, how do I put it? It's probably not that typical in here. This is an unusual, you normally would see it where it goes and then anyway. Doesn't matter. It's just what it's done. So you you can't, just need to observe what it's done. Okay, so it may take off again. We'll just see. But you're still in a cell, Tom, and you're still in that buy. Okay, 80 JPY. That's pulled back as well, but it hasn't broken because I would have got in on this candle. My stop loss is the candle before, so still in that trade in drawdown.
I'm up 2% on that one.
You're in the sell.
Yep.
Okay. So inflation rate for Japan. Up 4. Okay. Yeah. We're working in outside rails. You just work wherever, which is fine. Okay, 80 NZD.
No, it's
Oh,
outside the rails for me.
is it 80 JPY?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have a look.
Your half is my rail.
Oh, Okay.
It's well inside my settings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yours went out, and then yeah.
Yeah, so I saw I had a lower high. I was
Yeah,
outside the
yeah, yeah, yeah.
rail. I
Yeah, you
waited
had a
for that yellow
yellow.
candle to form.
Yeah,
Boom, I'm
one,
in the
two,
trade.
bang, you're in. Yeah, okay.
And now I just let it run. And your green lines are basically I can't see it all the way to the right, but basically your lines are they're the exact same as mine.
Hmm.
So I'm going to let this push until I get that yellow candle
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
outside on the other side. That's how I just picked up 27 trades this morning.
27, is that all?
Yeah.
He's
Quite
not
low.
even he's not even trying, Darren.
I am so emotional. It's about this now. When I place these trades, it's like secondhand.
Well,
Emotion
I'm
emotionless, you say.
emotionless, but
But
I'm just taking double losses after double losses at the minute. So it's
yeah,
going very well.
Okay,
that's
well, think of
okay.
it this way, you guys. Even if those candles on my side are
Hmm.
wrong, they will keep
Hmm.
you out of bad trades.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Or
Yeah,
they'll tell you,
agreed.
hey, look, this is telling you it's gonna turn around. So
Mm.
if you're in these double trades down here
Yeah, you need to
and
get
you
out of
know it's
them.
coming back, you may want to consider getting out.
Yeah, yeah, no, I agree with you. Hmm. Well, that's what
Because
I
if
was
you don't get
thinking.
out, I'm getting in and taking your money.
Yeah,
Look at it that way.
but also too, though, Darren, the signs are here. See, that's changed red on the trend bar. For me, anyway, that's something that says, I think I said it yesterday or the day before. Um, so like for example, AUD CHF will just say, see a train change red on the trend bar. I should have really got out of the trade or both trades at that point and not hung on.
And got into the short.
Well,
You're
could have,
you're
but
either buying or you're selling.
yeah, yeah, no, no, absolutely, Tom. But what I would say at this point, from what the way that I'm trading and Darren, is that yes, we got this, got the long, and then as soon as it turns red on the trend bar, I should have actually killed both trades, even if it was a small loss, because
Correct.
it's better than it going down and having a full loss.
Absolutely.
Mm. And if it turns green, then think about getting back into it. And so then here we go. AUD JPY, same thing. See it's turned red on that candle. Should have got out. Double trades, right? It's don't stay in.
Right. So on that push
That's
down, I got
yeah,
all that.
yeah, yeah.
And then
Hmm.
now on the push up, I got all that on the long, which was a
Hmm.
3%er. And
Yeah,
now I'm in this already
for
for
the
the
sell.
short
Yeah,
for 2%. I'm up 2% on this one.
yeah, 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 yeah. So I mean, this is all I'm saying, Darren. It's like it's something that I'm looking at and going like, oh well, Caesarton's rare. If because it should just stay in that trend bar color. Anyway, just a thought. All right, AUD NZD. Still red outside. Not going to take this yet. If it changes trend bar and like it's got a low, which is good, got a green triangle. We'll just see. Um, but yeah, I hear what you're saying, Darren. I mean, I understand it as well. But we are fortunate that Tom's here and showing us something different as well.
Yeah.
Okay, AD Singapore. This is just in the middle of the rails. It's nothing that we would be considering. But like, for example, if you look at AD Singapore with, yeah, 1-2 candle bank, that would have been a sell for us if like I'm in trading this method or this strategy with being a bricklayer or a mason, if you want to call it. So 80 Singapore, 80 USD, same thing. Yeah, drop back
Well,
out again.
AUD Singapore, I got in as a 3/4 trade, but it didn't reach the target. So
Correct. And now pull back.
now it's time to get out.
Yeah, well, it's gone red, like, well,
I mean, that's what
yeah.
I'm doing on these 3/4 trades. On the double
You would have
trade.
got in somewhere here or wherever.
Yeah.
Now it's gone red. Should have really got out of the trade at that candle when it turned red on the doji.
Something turned red for me on this candle now.
Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fair enough. And it's needy. I think, Darren, it's like it's about looking at what we need to be more responsive to what's actually happening from a trend bar perspective. Anyway, AUD/USD, same thing. See, it's all changing. Chop it around. And that made
I'm up
3/4,
1% on this one.
3/4, three. Yeah, we were on the sell.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's now a 3/4 trade to get in,
Yeah,
albeit
well, it's too late
do with
now.
it do with it sucking up a bit. That
Yeah,
candle's back up a bit. I'm possibly getting it there.
yeah, it has come back up a bit on it. So, all right then. On a buy on a CAD CHF. Now, this is weird. So here we go. I'm in double trades on this one. So what happens is we got low. You don't have a long on it anyway, but it pulled up. I got into the trade. It went red. Now, in practice, I really should have got out of that when it went red on the trend bar. I've stayed in, but it really shouldn't. I shouldn't have. And then it's taken off again. What have you got, Tom? Can't see it here. Oh, can't see it here. There we go. Yeah, no, you got this little jump around thing happening, haven't you?
Ooh, what is that?
That was
Okay. Yeah, I'm setting up for the buy.
yeah, I know. Did you get this sell?
No, I didn't
Okay.
take that sell because I was in this. I was in that buy at the bottom,
Yeah.
and when it said short, I got out.
Yeah, okay, gotcha.
And then before I could even get in again because I
It's
wasn't
come
paying
back up.
attention, it had already
Yeah.
come back up. So now I'm looking
Yeah.
for the buy again.
Yeah, which is good. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, I'm still in 2 trades on this, so we'll just see what happens with it. Am I in 2? Yeah, CAD CHF. Yeah, I'm just 11 pips down or something from here. So I must have entered. I would have entered on this candle. Yeah. So now it's back down, back up. Right. Okay.
This is going to be short lived.
Sorry?
This one on CAD-CHF,
Yeah.
it's going to be short lived. It's only going to go back to about the middle of your rail, and then it's going to push down again. Is what I'm looking for. So if you're in this,
You mean the middle?
Mind.
You mean the middle rail here?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's right. That's okay.
We're on a massive downtrend.
Mm. It's interesting watching up here, like trend from there. You have the high goes green, red, and you get in, but then it goes green and then it goes red all the way back down. So, like, this is sort of the hiccup before it pushes back up. But as you said, it might only go to the mid and not 3/4 because I've got one at 3/4, one at top of the rail. So, and as you said, this is in a downtrend overall. Okay. KJPY. Now, this has turned red, you see. I'm in double trades on that.
I'm only up
It's gone down, but then
0.5%.
it's sucked up back up again, though, hasn't it? Almost.
Yeah. Yeah.
In fact,
almost to entry.
it's now higher than it was at the start of the session. Fantastic pushing.
Yeah. No, you're right. You're right. It was a red candle, and now it's gone back into a blue green. Anyway, in a double on that one. This CHF, this is interesting, because this three-quartered me, and I've got another trade on the outside rail, but it has pulled down. Now, I still have a green trend bar, so it hasn't changed yet for me to say, hey, I'm going to get, but I've got my stop loss is at, where is it? It'll be here somewhere. It probably came down to where it is, my stop profit anyway. So it's not that I have to get out on the red. It's as it pushes down, it will stop me at yeah. It'll stop me. Where is it? Stop loss 165794. Oh yeah, no, it's actually back down at where I entered. It's back here. I haven't actually moved it. That's a bit silly, isn't it? Let me move it to at least there. 16722. Okay. Oh yeah.
I'm sorry. Could you put a horizontal ray across there where your stop loss is? I
Oh,
can't
yeah.
quite
Sure.
tell where it's at.
Sure. Where was it all? Where was it? I put it here at the moment.
Right there. All right. Thank you.
It's my entry was wherever in this when it turned green there. It was somewhere in this candle here with my stop loss down here because that candle wasn't big enough. It was it's pretty how do I the word is gross. I mean the trading that we do is sort of like quite substantial as far as where stops are. I mean it's different to what Darren used to have it, right down below the low there. Well, I did have it. I had it there, so it came down and nearly stopped me out, and then off it went.
Well, here's why I'm saying this pair CHFJPY because I'm in this for the short. I'm already up.
Yep.
So as this comes down, I'm curious if this is going to hunt you down at the bottom where see that bottom wick?
Yeah.
That's why I said put that line in because I wanted to see where you had it as where this would play into. So if this is telling me your stop would be down there at that long wick, is that what it's saying?
Yeah, this one here. No, hang on.
because there's your white line, right?
Hang on. No, there. That's where I've got it there. Yeah, down below that wick.
Isn't that the white line you just put on, that dotted line?
No, because a different chart. Hang on a minute, I'll show you where I've got it. That's not it. What am I doing? Oh, God. On your chart, this is roughly where I am there. That's the stop loss there.
Okay, so I'm going to mark that real quick.
Somewhere about 167, 300, 200, wherever, somewhere there.
All right. I'm curious, just seeing it from another angle of how this thing works and thinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah. So yeah, you're in the cell now because it's 1, 2. You've got the yellow, and then you're into the short. Bang! Somewhere in that candle,
Yeah.
in the trade
As
for
it
the
turned out,
sell.
it turned out to be 2.5 because spread got
Yeah,
me in.
okay. Yeah, somewhere here,
Yeah.
middle. Okay. Yeah, all right then. Right. And for me, it's like, well, I mean, two trades there, it survived, it came back up, got me 3/4 one trade, then it's come back, it'll be at least break even plus actually. If it just turns for them, but I still don't have a the trend bar is still green. Anyway, that's where I am with that. Okay, a Euro AUD. I'm in two cells on this. It turned green. So uh, really, I suppose I should have got out of this when it turned green. Just dancing around. Anyway, that's where I am with it. I'm still in there. So I'll just observe what happens here. If it does continue up and knocks me out, I think I got in there. So stop loss is somewhere here. So it came pretty close. Just running tighter stops. You're still in that too, Darren, are you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay,
So
cool.
I'm just going to stay in it and
Yeah, and see
yeah.
what happens. Yeah, well, you know, it's
If it does turn and drop
mm,
away, which Euro AUD often does, makes these big moves. When it goes up like that, like
yeah,
it
like
did,
that. Yeah.
it does have a tendency to go all the way back down again. Obviously, by
Mm.
no means always, but that's so.
By no means always.
But it does have a
the
tendency to do that. It was a big move.
caveat. I love the caveat, and it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. I agree with you. Yeah, it's different. I suppose on that one. Hmm.
There's
Yeah,
plenty of
it's just dancing
imbalance all the
around.
way
So he's
all the way down there as well for it to
yeah.
actually.
Yeah. Well, it's dancing around. I mean, Tom wouldn't be doing too much here.
I caught the short, and then now I'm in the long.
Oh, you did get the long. Oh, you pulled down. So you reckon it's gonna okay.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
your green thing hasn't caught up with me yet. It says it's pushing higher.
Yeah, okay. Yours does, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. And you got target up there
Mm-hmm.
to break the high.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, radio.
So if this fails and I get a
Yeah.
short here, I'll be in the short.
Yeah, of course you will. Yeah. Yeah, which is cool. That's lovely. Okay. We're a lot more sort of like expansive of it. Anyway, all right, you're okay. Oh gosh. This is telling me to get in here.
I'm up on this 1.25%. I have 3 trades running on it.
uh three. Right. Okay, let's have a look. Right. So you got into that for the short down.
When it
You
pulled
came
back, I got out.
you got into another one.
I take that back. I left the original one running. I have
Yeah.
one running from the top.
Yeah,
And
okay.
then I took 2 more trades.
Even though it came back 2 candles there
Yes,
and
because
gave you a
I
long.
didn't think it was coming back.
Okay.
So on this one, I just let it run down. It pulled
Yeah.
back, pushed down again. When I saw it, it was getting ready to gave me an arrow
Yeah.
telling me it was looking like this is as high as it was going to go. I waited for the yellow candle and hopped into 2 trades.
Well, this is a setup for a sell now for
It
me.
is, isn't it? Yeah.
So I'm going to get in it, providing that short holds. So I might give it another hour or so, and then quite a tight stop loss. If it comes off, then
Yeah,
it's a sort of 4 to 1, 4%.
yeah.
The
Where you at?
possibility
Stop up
48.
here? You
No,
stop up.
at the moment I'm just going back one. Sorry,
What's
just
that
point
one?
again. I go back one candle. If the candle's level with the entry candle, I might go a bit further. So it'll just be above the yeah, just above there. Yeah,
Okay,
that's where I'll put
right,
it.
yeah. Fair enough.
Yeah. So I'm going to be positive. It's going to come off this one. There we go. That's my prediction.
Hey, good one.
Yeah, it's having a bad run.
Okay.
I tell you, it's double
Yeah, I
loss.
know. I know.
I think what's exaggerated is because I had all these. I was only taking singles previously,
Yeah,
ticking along quite nicely. I've now hit a losing run, and I've had these
yeah,
before, and they've all
yeah.
been doubles. So it's
It's even more of an issue.
but I've had these losing runs before. You know, I have. Um, like I said, it doesn't really bother me because you get these little spells, and then they start winning again.
Yeah, you can't win every trade. That's right. Okay.
But when I do get the wins, I'll stick with the doubles. Now I've moved to doubles, I'll stick with the doubles. So when they start
Hmm.
going off again,
Oh, yeah, it'll be,
the
yeah.
losses will be recovered very quickly.
Hmm.
Two,
Yeah,
two,
true. No, no,
two,
that's right. They will
trades,
be.
2 or 3 trades, and
Yeah.
back profit again.
Okay. Good. Well, that one's there, ready to happen. Euro CHF. Not in that one at the moment. It
Some of a
has.
half.
Good one, Tom. Should be. Yeah, it just shows the different strategy. Well, still, you're trading still the same pairs. You just have a different way of looking at it to a certain extent. Okay, Euro GBP. Now, was
I'm
it
up on 4 trades already.
on this one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, I'm in this for a sell, 3/4 sell, and I'm in
yeah,
profit at the moment.
yeah,
Albeit it's sucked back up a bit.
yeah. But it's still red in the trend bone, still doing the
Yeah.
push. So, would you say you're in four, Tom? How the
Yeah.
fuck you in four? Oh,
Look
one's
at
from
it
up the
absolutely tank. I
one's
caught
from the
two.
top.
I caught one up there. I let the original one run past that long yellow wick to the left.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
To the left.
Ah, yeah, this here, yeah.
That, right. I knew it was going to have to beat this to go down. So I let
Hmm.
one trade run, and when it came down and tapped, I waited for the pullback, and it pulled back,
And you didn't get out of that
and
trade?
I didn't
No.
get out. And then I put on a trade to beat that bottom wick where you got the long.
Yeah, that one there, yeah.
Another trade for down there where that red wick is right now,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then you do another
and then
trade
I'll do
again on the
another one.
next brick.
And it's just
Yeah,
and it's
okay.
just the next. As long as that brick turns red, I just keep going down until it tells me it's not going down anymore.
Yeah, yeah,
So if
yeah.
if it starts to pull back and gives me a yellow candle up, I just start closing trades.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm.
Ridiculous.
I love it. Oh yeah, okay. So back here. All right, you're a JPY. Well, that's a three-quarter thing. You're a JPY.
That's a
This
nice one
is
too.
where I ended up getting two trades out of that one. And now it's pulled back down again. So
I'm up
really,
2.6.
yeah, for sell. So really, what should happen is I got a red triangle. I got that. Really should be in two trades for the sell there. I don't think I can take trades actually at the moment. Where's it go, JPY? Let me just see. We got margin. Anyway, well, where am I? There for the sell. Let's see if I can take a trade. Oh, yeah, I can. Rightio. So Euro JPY, I'm in that for the sell now too.
Well, this is a 3/4, so I'll get in this one as well.
Well, for me, this is not. This is a full.
Yeah.
Because I've got a red triangle trend bar change. But for you, 3/4. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a same thing with just a different perspective on it. That's all.
Yeah.
I have to organize it. I better do that now before I start doing crazy stuff. 163,966. Oh, okay. Right. Got it. Yeah. Got money in 14 trades now. Rightio. Euro NZT. Yeah, this hasn't turned green in the trend bar, so I'm staying in the sell on this, even though I've got to draw down on it.
Yeah. Sorry.
This is exactly the same as Euro AUD. Euro AUD and NZT just do the same thing.
So you've got a bit more room stop loss wise on Euro and the
Yeah, because it's up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Euro Singapore. Well, it's getting ready for sell. Still red, green on the trend bar, so I'm not in that at this point. Euro USD, that has turned. So what? Yeah, you'll wait for a short, are you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well, from my, if it's purely mechanical, I don't think I can take the margin levels.
I'm 1% up on this one already.
Yeah,
I'm getting ready to
for
set
the
my second
sell.
trade.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, explain this to me a little bit.
That's good. Oh yeah, Euro USD. So now look, I think I got knocked out of GA. Yeah, I did. So that one's back on the pink. Double loss on that. And I should have got out when it turned green. That's just, Darren, that's where I. So we've got, red triangles, we've got outside the rail, we've got short, and then it goes, just push the stack back. Like Darren's busy. Okay. Right. So for me,
I'm
that's
up
the
1%
sign.
on that one.
Yeah,
The
you're in the
buy.
buy. Yeah, I know. Could imagine. Because it's turned on that. Okay. GBP CAD. Green to red to green.
Now I'm in a buy for this one, except I think it's going to go back down.
Yeah. We have
So
GCAD, isn't it? Yeah.
uh-huh.
Right. You think it's going to continue down?
Yeah, but there's no yellow candles on mine whatsoever on that push down. See how there's no yellow
No,
candles
there's
on
none
yours
on
either?
mine. No.
So it's kind of throwing me. I don't know what to do at this point.
Hmm.
So I'm setting up a trade for both directions. So I'm already in the buy, but I'm at break even. So I'm gonna kill this trade.
Yeah.
So I've lost nothing.
Yeah.
So now I think I'm just gonna sit this out and just let it run for 5-6 bricks and decide.
Okay. Because it could do this sort of thing, like here. Bing, 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 bing.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Until I get one yellow candle one direction or another, I'm not taking that trade.
It's because the yellow is sort of like the
It's like the last ditch effort. That's what's
Yeah.
happening.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, here, look how many yellow ones are in there.
Yeah,
Then you got
exactly.
yellow there, yeah, one there, one there.
It
Yeah,
always shows at least one.
yeah, okay. Because that's the 50%.
Right.
Mm. Yeah, okay. So it's messy at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
What are you? Okay, GCAD, GBP It's still a messy one. Forget that trade. It's like, I'm not worried about that one. GJ, I've got a 3/4 out of it. It's pulling back down. Now what let me have a look. This is where I'm gonna say GPJPY. I'm gonna look at where I've got where is my stop at the moment?
Well, this came very close to my break even actually, because when I got in this back at the early February,
Yeah.
I got this one originally.
Okay.
I reached a 3/4 line, so closed one position and
Yeah.
back in profit again.
And then it pulled down and then yeah. See, I'm
I'm
gonna
up
put
1%.
I'm gonna put my stop here. Yeah, I know because you're selling. One oh, no one. It's this voice from the background going, I'm already up 1%. Like it's so cool. 191146. Where are we? Yeah. Only 11 off. 101. Yeah, that'll lose. That's a stop there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm here. Entry was, I don't know. Where was entry? I don't know where it was. I think entry was somewhere in that candle. So it's like would be basically break even plus a little bit if it comes back down now. It's sort of like we'll just see. All right, but I've got one trade out of it. And the second one, if it's break even, I don't care. It doesn't matter. And what I should have done is, and this is the thing should have done, is when I got the 3/4, just move it to break even. But that's okay, which I've done now. GBP NZD. Oh, entry would have been there. Where am I? Hang on, I can see. Okay, yeah, it's just about entry. Okay, that's good. GBP NZD. How's this? Like, I didn't take this. You're probably in 2 trades on this, Darren.
Yeah.
And now it's turned green. Tom, where are you?
I'm up 1% on that one.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, see, I was just waiting for that little bit in the background.
Yeah.
Well, this could be just a case of it's pulling back because it needs to do before it continue down.
Before it drops. Yeah, well, absolutely, Darren. Absolutely, it could.
Yeah. She's got imbalance there. It's taken out 50% of that.
Yeah, on this one.
Candle.
Yeah, then suck back.
So
what's Darren? I'm sorry. This is what Tom's saying. Look at this. He's got it off the bottom here, got along, and he's got bricks going up.
Either going to break that higher high or it's not.
Yeah. Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, because it is like from here, it's an uptrend to pull up. See it up, broken, back down. I mean, it has broken that low there. So it could just come to here and then start pushing back down again.
Yeah, when it pushes up here and taps that line for the rail, I'll consider looking at it to see if I get a lower high yellow
Yeah.
candle short,
Yep.
and I'll do the sell.
Yeah,
And I'll
yeah,
pick up
yeah.
a few bricks there.
Of course you will.
Damn right.
So you're building what, the Great Wall, are you, or something with bricks?
Dude, my account is growing so fast, it's ridiculous.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
run anywhere between 2 and 7% at any given time.
Yeah. Okay. We're on, like, I can't speak for Darren, but we're moving on the conversion side at the moment. We're slowly moving across. Anyway, so this for me would be, if I was in the cell, I'd be out of it. Whatever. I mean, Darren's staying on the bus at the moment, and that's all cool. But I'm not in any trade on it, so I don't need to. GBP Singapore. Nothing's happened here. It was giving us a high. Give us a high up here, but still green, green, green. We've got one red triangle, so nothing to move there. GU. Oh, actually, you got 2 trades out of GBP Singapore, didn't you, Darren?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, he doesn't sound too happy.
No, it was, yeah. I'm just trying to remember now. It's a while ago that.
GU, and I think GU, you got 2 out of that as well.
I did, yeah. Yeah.
So now we've got a lower high, we've got to sell. The trend bar's still green. We're just watching at the moment
I just got in this.
for the sell.
Yep.
I thought you would. I'm starting to pick them now, aren't I, Tom?
That's okay.
Oh, yeah. NZD CAD. Look at these NZDs. Whoa. Whoa. That's a significant drop off, isn't it?
Still green though.
No, mine's red. Red
mine's
on the trend bar now. Look at it. It's done a
Oh yeah, mine's still green. Interesting.
It's done that red wobble, a candle like that.
Yeah.
It's been green all the way up here. Now it's like,
not weird, mine's still green.
yeah, it's a different feed.
Yeah.
Tom's already up by 10%, but
I got 1% already.
1%, yeah, 1%. Here you
I
go.
mean, it'll pull back on the next candle and probably turn red as well at the same time.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, yours is showing a little different than mine. Mine shows it just absolutely crashing. It's going to go way back down to that long at the very beginning because there's a equal high down there from a previous high.
Over here.
I'm sorry, a previous low.
Low, yeah, over here.
That's where it's going.
Yeah.
So this is now it's from the jump off. It's the lower high is 1. The higher low is 2. The high is 3. So I'm looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. This is going to be a pull back. It's going to get a short. We're going to get a longer one, which will be 4 and 5. That'll give us.
Well, we've got a short now. You've got a short already, but you're saying it'll pull back up.
Yeah, there's going to be a small pullback before it hits that long wick.
Yeah,
you see that created the long wick down the bottom?
Yeah, up here, yeah, which that one here.
No, down.
Oh,
long.
That one down there.
Nope, go back to where the price is now.
Oh, you mean
that one. It has to break that first to keep going down. But before that goes and gets broken, it's going to have a pullback.
Yeah.
And then it's going to do a little push, a pull. It's going to come down to this area, pull back, push down, and beat that second wick because that's your inline liquidity. Those 2 wicks down at the bottom. And where's it going to pull back to? Down to this bigger wick down here where the original long started in that line. I mean, just look what they're telling you. Look at all the points I'm talking about as how they break before each long wick.
Yeah. Here as well.
It's what it does.
Bang.
It's just what it does.
Then back and then, Okay.
They're telltale signs. And the way to find that is the 50% candle.
So this will pull back a bit and then potentially continue
Maybe.
down. Yeah, it's okay.
I mean, you got what, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles to go possibly before it reaches that red wick, depending on speed.
Yeah. All right. NZD CHF.
Yep. I'm up 1% on that too.
Yeah, for the sell. So you change green there, burning back to red. I mean, the market is volatile. I mean, you can see it's just all over the shop at the moment. Anyway, NZD JPY. I'm just going to keep myself on because I've got to get going to see. Oh, geez. Okay, NZD JPY. See, made a 3/4 and then has now pulled back.
I'm up 3.
To the sell.
Mm-hmm.
It smooths out those pushes with a pullback, doesn't it? I mean, even though, I mean, it's still count in your trade, but yeah.
I just catch them coming and going.
See, for me, if I'm looking at mechanically, this is a buy, then I would have got out of it for the sell, then it bought back up again. So you could have got that anyway, that's all right.
Did.
Yeah, well, I'm sure you did.
Yeah, because you're looking at that one long.
Yeah.
Down at the bottom.
You mean the low?
Oh, I'm sorry, the low. Yes, the low. Yeah, and I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 longs just in this area moving along here sideways.
Yeah,
that you could have taken any one of those trades and got 3% out of it.
Okay, NZD USD. See, you're turning again too. Outside turns going red on the trend bar. You're in the sell, aren't you?
I already have 1%.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It's just good to see.
All right, this will be a 3/4 trade for me.
Yeah, okay. You can see you got yellows and it's got down, so 1, 2. You wouldn't have got in on that yellow candle, or you would have, Tom?
Yeah, I go 2 back.
Yeah, it doesn't matter about whether it's yellow or whatever. Okay.
You have to remember, this is not price based. This is direction based.
Yeah.
So
I understand that.
If it's got enough money to pull backwards to go 2 bricks, it's going to give you a yellow candle.
Yeah. Because that's the 50%. Yeah, okay.
That's right. So if I get my higher low with 2 candles back and it's got enough strength to create a yellow candle to push, then I just stay in it. I get the short on the 3rd candle and I'm in it till it tells me not to be.
Yeah. Fair enough. And you're saying this is a 3/4 for you. Yeah, okay, Dan. Okay, Singapore Japanese yen. Yeah, it's nothing much there to could have been a 3/4, but now it's pulled back again. So right, UCAD. It's messy that one, isn't it?
I'm in this.
You're in it for the buy?
Yep.
So that UCAD. Yeah, but it's pulled back too now.
Yeah. It has.
You're in the buy or the sell?
But it's still telling me to keep going up.
How come?
It hasn't shown me a yellow candle either direction.
Oh,
so
right. Okay.
So if this says short, I'll kill this buy.
Yeah.
And then I'll get in the short.
Yeah. All right. But you would have got into it here somewhere. I know.
I did.
Here.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I got in at the 2 mark. 1, 2.
1, 2. Yeah, which is
right there.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm still in profit.
Yeah, I know.
I just moved my stop loss up to break even.
Yeah. USD CHF, still nothing there. Hasn't turned, still got trend bar red.
I just got in this one.
Yeah, got in for the buy. Okay. You're jumping yeah, earlier than what we do or can for any of this, the indicators. UJ, yeah, that turned red. So it really should am I in? No, I didn't get into UJ. But we've got the low triangles. Are you in a double trade, Darren, on this one?
Which one?
UJ.
No, I've not got along yet, so I'm not in it.
Oh, of course you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, rats. Yeah, you have that extra requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm in the short.
Yeah. Of course he is, Darren.
Really?
We're on a downtrend. We're still pushing.
Yeah.
That low is going to
Well,
move to
yeah.
a lower low.
Yeah. Okay. No, he doesn't trade this one, Darren. USD and Singapore.
I'd already be up on that one.
Yeah.
I can just look at it and tell.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, let's have a look and see what it looks like.
Oh, this would be a 3/4 trade.
Yeah, but
This
look at
one.
it now. Two,
Oh, look at
bang,
that.
done.
Bing. Yeah.
Mm.
Took the lower low, caught the long. It just stayed in and it's still taking off.
Yeah, but he doesn't trade it, so he's just showing off now.
Well, that it's not so much showing off as now I'm
Nah,
getting
I know.
I'm actually getting to the point I'm not even gonna I may not even need indicators. I just may need what that setup is.
Mm.
I already
That's
removed
good.
my trend bar.
Oh, okay. You don't need that, no. Mm. Okay. Gold. 3,043. And silver. Oh, silver's pulled back a bit now.
It's a 3/4 trade,
Yeah,
potentially,
yeah.
for me.
Okay. Bitcoin still hovering that 84 sort of range. That's all right. And where's oil? Oh, up slightly.
Another 3/4 trade, potentially there. Gosh, I'm going to be pushing my
Yeah.
margin, I think, at this rate.
Yeah.
Ooh, can you flip over to my side? See where it's
Yeah,
at?
sure. Hang on a second.
I'm pretty sure I'd be in that one.
Existing home sales. Okay, it doesn't matter. There and oil.
Yeah,
There's
look
oil.
at that. Come on. Look
Yeah.
at oh, you got your long. Boing.
Yeah, you do. You'd be in.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I gotta figure out how to trade indices and stuff, I guess.
Yeah, maybe.
Is that a
Could be
trading
good.
view thing?
What is?
Trading indices.
Well,
Because I can't trade crypto for whatever reason.
Oh, no, you just got to pull up this. Well, yeah, it's because Orlando probably don't allow you or something. But all you got to do is pull up the
What is US oil? How do I get there? All right. US.
just here up the top here, Tom. Just go plus on that. Oh, that's compare. Sorry, no.
US oil. That's crypto. Would it be futures?
Oh, here. You just go plus on here. Well, stop. No, it's in under. It's under. Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay. No, indus. No, because it's commodities. No, they're all those. You wouldn't have any indices. What would it be?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I can't trade it.
Oh, really?
It shows all the US oils. I can't trade it.
Oh, okay. They won't let you. Because what happened is they could see the fact that you're killing the forex, and they don't want you in that area. Yeah, but it looks like it's, yeah. So that's what it looks like, Tom. I mean, I can see it. You'd be in the sell, then back into the buy there. So 1, 2, you'd be in there from that point up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Well, that's me for today, it looks like.
Yep.
All right.
Is that all right, everyone?
Yep.
Yes, that's a few more trades to get in.
Tom's up about 82%. So
Yeah, phenomenal.
it's good to watch, though, Darren, isn't it? Different
It is.
strategy and different way of processing it, so anyway. All right, this is my Friday, so I won't be on tomorrow. I'll see you at the start of the next trading week. We'll go from there. How's that
All
sound?
right. Sounds good.
All right, then.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.